In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unarchive emails in Yahoo Mail. If you've archived a message by mistake or simply want it back in your inbox, this walkthrough will guide you from start to finish, clearly and confidently. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Yahoo Mail. From the results, choose the official Yahoo Mail link. Make sure the web address looks correct so you know you're on the legitimate site. Once you're there, sign into your account. Follow any on-screen prompts you see and complete any verification steps if they appear. After you're signed in, you'll be in your Yahoo Mail inbox. In the classic Yahoo Mail view, look to the left side of the screen. This is your sidebar, where folders like Inbox, Sent, Drafts, and more are listed. If the sidebar looks condensed or some folders are hidden, expand it or click to show more folders so everything is visible. Next, click the Archive folder. This is where messages go when you archive them, which simply removes them from the inbox without deleting them. It's a helpful way to tidy your main inbox while keeping messages accessible whenever you need them. Now, find the email or emails you want to bring back. You can click on a single message to open it or select multiple messages from the list. Use the checkboxes next to each email to select more than one at a time. If you have a long list, try using the search bar at the top to look up a sender or a keyword to narrow things down faster. Once you've selected the message or messages, look for the Action or More button near the top of the mailbox. Click it, then choose Move and select Inbox. This moves your selected emails out of archive and back into your main inbox where you'll see them again. If you prefer, you can also drag and drop the selected emails directly onto the inbox folder in the left sidebar. Both methods do the same thing, so use whichever feels easier. That's all there is to it. To recap, open your browser and go to Yahoo Mail, sign in, find the archive folder in the left sidebar, select the emails you want, and move them back to your inbox or drag and drop them there. With these simple steps, you can unarchive any message and keep your inbox organized exactly the way you want.